In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a meeting request in Outlook, whether you're planning a quick check-in or a full team kickoff. This walkthrough uses Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, select All Microsoft. This expands a list of Microsoft products and services. Choose Outlook to open Outlook on the web. On the Outlook landing page, select Sign In. Use the account you normally use for email, work, school, or personal, and follow the prompts to finish signing in. If your organization uses extra security, just complete that as you normally would. Once you're in Outlook, switch to Calendar. You'll find Calendar in the left rail. It's right next to Mail. The calendar view shows your day, week, or month, and this is where you'll create the meeting. Select New Event. Depending on your layout, it might appear as New Event or simply New, but it's the same button. A scheduling window opens. Add the details of your new meeting. Give it a clear title so attendees know what to expect. Pick the date, start time, and end time, and make sure the time zone matches yours. If the meeting repeats, set the recurrence, so Outlook places it on everyone's calendar automatically. Add a location, or if you're meeting online, make sure the online meeting option is enabled so a join link is included. In the description box, add an agenda or any context people need to prepare. You can also set a reminder and choose a category color if you like to stay organized. In the Invite Attendees field, type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you type, Outlook suggests contacts from your directory and recent conversations. You can include required attendees and, if needed, optional ones as well. Double check spelling so the invite reaches the right people. As soon as you add at least one attendee, you'll notice the Save button changes to Send. That indicates your invitation is ready to go to others. Click Send. Outlook delivers the invite by email and places a hold on your calendar. Attendees can accept, decline, or propose a new time, and you'll see their responses automatically. If plans change, you can open the event later to update details, add notes, or cancel, and Outlook will notify everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.